Today, our topic is Introduction to Biology and some major fields of specialization. Biology is the study of living things. It is a branch of science and is a way of understanding the nature. Biologists deal with the living part of nature and with the non living things which affect the living things in any way. Before going on further, please subscribe the channel for more new videos. So it is very difficult to define life. For biologists, life is a set of characteristics that distinguish living organisms from non-living objects. Living organisms are highly organized, complex entities are composed of one or more cells. They contain genetic program for their characteristics and they can acquire and use the energy. Living organisms can carry out and control numerous chemical reactions. They can grow in size, maintain a fairly constant internal environment, and can produce offspring similar to themselves, and they can respond to the changes in their environment. Any object possessing all these characteristics simultaneously can be declared as living thing and in an object for biological studies. At this stage, you are surely familiar with the ecology, embryology, physiology, morphology, anatomy, paleontology, histology, evolution, genetics, and zoogeography. These all are branches of biology which deal with the environmental relationship, development, function, structure, form and internal structure, fossil, tissues, ancestral history, heredity and distribution of animal in the nature respectively. In addition to these branches, there are a number of other branches of biology such as molecular biology, microbiology, marine biology, environmental biology, freshwater biology, parasitology, human biology, social biology, and biotechnology, etc. Now, here is a little intro of these branches. Molecular biology. Molecular biology is a branch of biology which deals with the structure of organisms, cells, and their organelles at the molecular level. Next is the environmental biology. Environmental biology is the study of organisms in relation to their environment. This includes interaction between the organism and their inorganic and organic environment, especially as it relates to human activities. So, next is the microbiology. Microbiology is the study of microorganisms, which include the bacteria, viruses, protozoa, and microscopic algae and fungi. Freshwater biology is the branch of biology which deals with the organisms living in freshwater bodies like river, lakes, etc., and the physical and chemical parameters of these water bodies. Marine biology is the study of life in seas and oceans. This includes the study of marine life and the physical and chemical characteristics of sea acting as factor for marine life. Parasitology is the branch of biology which consults with the study of parasites. The structure, mode of transmission, life histories, and host parasite relationship are studied in the parasitology. Human biology deals with the study of man. This includes form and structure, function, histology, anatomy, morphology, evolution, genetics, cell biology, ecology, studies, etc. of human beings. Social biology is the branch of biology which deals with the study of social behavior and communal life of living organisms, especially human beings. Biotechnology is the study and study of biotechnology deals with the use of living organisms, systems, or processes in manufacturing and services industries.